All right, welcome back. We are mostly back together, and I have not turned it on yet. So we will do it together and see if there's smoke or not. See how good of a job I did. All right, battery's going in. All right, and then we will turn on the power button. There, okay, that's something. All right, so we're on, but now what happens when we transmit? Will it blow up or will it work? Hey, look at that. That is 5 watts output. So, nice, very nice. I believe we were successful. Wow. I don't know what to say. I'm a little surprised. That was a moment there. I was really worried about that capacitor that fell off. I think the lessons learned from this project was that when you use your capped-on tape, start with the smallest amount first, nearest to where you're going to be heating things up, and then slowly increase in the width to make sure that you have all the components actually sticking down properly before you start heating things up. So what I think happened is that the hot air got underneath the larger tape and almost derailed our repair. So let's see it again. Let's see it again. Look at that. Wow, full scale for a 5-watt transmitter. I'm very excited. I'm pretty happy with how this went. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this back together. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and this will help someone with their repair and feel confident doing it also. I am an amateur. I'm putting the amateur back into amateur radio. So I'm glad this was a success, and it only cost me about $7, $8 in parts for that FET, and what led me to believe that that was the one of the problem is the service manual has test points on for when you're running this, and you could see voltages of other parts, and I was able to determine that most things looked okay, but I was a little suspect about that that Q214 214 transistor. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. I am November 6th with Scaling My Mic, Bill, and thanks for stopping by.